How to fix WhatsApp audio play screen off problem. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and if you're facing these issues today, I'll show you how to fix the problem where WhatsApp audio stops playing when your screen turn off. So let's get started. First thing first, you have to head towards your settings of phone. Scroll down, locate battery and open it. Now make sure that you disable battery saving mode or power saving mode, which might be restricting background audio playback. The next step to follow is simply update WhatsApp. Open Play Store or App Store, search for WhatsApp. If there is any updates, update it to the latest version by tapping Update button. Updates often fix bugs and improve performance. Now you need to clear cache of WhatsApp. For that, you need to head towards Settings again. Select Apps. Tap on App Management and now search for WhatsApp. Open the App Info page. Now tap Storage Uses and Clear Cache. Once you have done that, you need to come back to the same App Info section and tap on Battery Uses. And you need to make sure that you ensure background activity. Now tap on Allow button. If the issue persists even if you are followed these other steps, then you can uninstall and reinstall WhatsApp, and make sure to back up your chats before doing this. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tutorials, and leave any questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.